Good morning. So what I'm showing you today is how it is that you're going to be working and how it is that you're going to be completing your sort of project, or at least the first part of your project, and then turning that in today. So instead of a Google Doc, how you're going to be looking at the readings and then answering the questions is in the Google Slide. But other than that, it's pretty much the same exact sort of process, right? You read, and then here you type your answers. Okay? That part is all pretty simple. Here you have a table to fill in, but again, you've got information here that you can use to do so. Really what I want to focus on is the menu items. So if you look in the actual Google slide that you have the information in, there's a bunch of different instructions, right? It's telling you that today you're going to be completing an item over the First Amendment with an emphasis on freedom of religion. That's really what you want your item to be about. And then these are the different choices, right? So how this project works is that we're going to be doing an item over 5 amendments, 5 of the 10 amendments in the Bill of Rights. You can only do each item once. So if you're doing the First Amendment today, you can either pick comic, diary, Flipgrid, newspaper article, or web page. You can do whichever one you want. However, once you've done one, you cannot do it again. So tomorrow when we do the Fourth Amendment, whichever one you picked, you cannot do that one. You just have to pick one of the other 4 left. And then again, same sort of process with the remaining 3 amendments that you have to do. So for today, the only thing you have to worry about is just pick whichever one you want to do. These are things that we've already done in class. And so it should actually be pretty simple, right? So did you like whenever we create a comic? Do you want to do that now? Would you rather write a diary from the perspective of someone talking about these amendments? Would you want to, record yourself doing a Flipgrid, or write a newspaper article, or do a web page in Adobe Spark? Whichever one you want today, I would just go ahead and pick that one. And then you have the actual instructions. So like if I click on here, it'll bring me to the actual instructions for that. So comic instructions part 1, comic instructions part 2, and then, yeah, it's pretty simple as that. I mean, it really is telling you essentially what it is that you need to show, right? You want to show the amendment being used in this case through a comic, right? And again, you don't have to do a comic, but that is an option for you today. And then when it comes to actually turning it in, you want to come over here and you can see that you have a template for all of these. So you have a template to turn in your comic, to write your diary, to paste your Flipgrid link, to write your newspaper article, or to paste your Adobe Spark link. And again, you're only doing one of these today. You're not going to do all 5. We will do the rest of them eventually, right, as time goes on. But for today, you're just doing one and you're completing that one. Okay. Other than that, if you have any questions, just let me know through email, and that is pretty much it. So good luck and have a good day.